RevEng 2021, what's new? Introducing Automatic NURBS Surface Generation. The latest release of RevEng 2021 introduces major improvements to make your workflow easier and more powerful than ever. We improved the software icons to align their look and feel to our new brand and improve usability. We improved the remeshing algorithm by providing an option to recompute the topology of a technical object while preserving its features. To compute the feature-preserving remeshing of a technical object, select the Remesh command from the Mesh menu. Select the remeshing operation in the left panel and enable the new option, Preserve Sharp Feature. Then click Uniform Remeshing to recompute the mesh topology. This operation can be performed to increase the triangle density of technical objects before editing them within the software. When visualizing a deviation color map, it is now possible to adjust the color map by setting a tolerance range. To visualize a deviation color map, select the items that you would like to compare and open the Compare command from the Measure menu. Select the reference data from the left panel and click Compute Deviations to generate the deviation color map. If required, adjust the maximum distance parameter as desired. You can set the tolerance region by dragging the small arrows in the right deviation histogram with the mouse. After releasing the cursor, all the deviations within the specified range will be considered in tolerance and displayed in green only. You can use this new option to simplify the process of identifying the regions that are outside your targeted tolerance range. We improved the relevance of the information that is reported in the info panel of the software. Now, when a mesh is selected, it is possible to easily verify the number of holes to confirm if the mesh is watertight. It is also possible to export all data in the right panel into a text file for referencing or using it in other software. With the addition of automatic NURBS surface extraction, the Sketch NURBS tool is now more powerful than ever. When opening the tool, it is now possible to select the Automatic Surfaces option that extracts NURBS curves and surfaces with a single click. The result can then be fully optimized or improved by using the existing interactive tools. Grab your copy of RevEng today and start improving your workflow with a few simple mouse clicks.